And we are filming. Hello everybody, this is Megaman64. I am Time64, and with me today are
Zangetsu,
which I'm co-oping this Let's Play with, and
the Black Butler.
He was just some random guy. No, I'm just kidding.
He's not random. He's cooler than you. At least he's not a pedophile.
Again, enough with the pedophile jokes, both of you.
But you.
But I haven't even said one yet. Not today, anyway.
Where'd we go now? I'm a frog.
He's invaded my personal space.
See, he's one.
Really, I didn't feel comfortable sitting back there.
Yeah, I didn't feel comfortable with you sitting back there either.
Seriously, where do we go?
The ship, again.
What the fudge? Why didn't you tell me that?
I thought it was obvious. You retreated from a boss fight, then you go back to fight him.
No! I thought we had to get something else.
No.
Yeah.
What, you think we're gonna get like a gigantic weapon for the ship that we shoot the boss down with?
Maybe.
Yes.
They do it in the TV shows.
They do it in other video games.
Multiple video games, to be exact.
Anchors away!
I'm gonna move a little to the left.
Or it's called port. Or is it starboard?
Shoot it! Shoot the missiles! Don't worry, you can't hurt it yet.
There, Zangetsu's not behind me anymore.
But now I have more room.
Okay, he got
Get
closer.
get away from me, you pedophile. Because then who's behind me?
You know you're gonna
It just killed itself! Well, it's at least fighting.
You're gonna completely...
Seriously, look at it. Well, those missiles attacked its owner.
Hey look, it's gonna disappear in the distance.
Zangetsu, you're gonna do good because you put up videos too, right?
What the? Why are we going through a channel? Yeah, barely. I know.
No, I'm working on my Let's Play right now. With just that.
Of Legends 2.
Yeah, of Legends 2. Look behind you. No, like I mean the game. Retard.
Excuse him if he's overly cautious.
It's a frog.
Yeah, but now it's shooting torpedoes that you can't blow up at all.
Okay.
No, those are missiles. The torpedoes are underwater. You can't see them at all.
Oh, crap. In
Do you
my
notice the ship
backside.
exploding?
Yes. Is it just me, or is he as much as a pedophile as T-Bone? I'm calling him T-Bone. As much as
Diesel Bond.
whatever, I'm calling him T-Bone. He's as much as a pedophile as Zangetsu.
The last time, I am not a pedophile.
Yeah, we can hurt him now.
Yeah, you hit his arms, and then 2 guns on his backside.
Time to lay down some serious sound.
Now there's the weapon, see?
We are strong.
Just keep shooting it pretty much.
I am.
And it won't be... What? No, it tries to charge, but since you keep shooting it, it's not doing much.
I killed it with my machine gun.
What happens when it's fully charged?
You choose a gigantic ball of energy that
Bet you
actually
it's lots
kills
of
you.
baby robot and Super Saiyan spiky.
That's Diesel Bond.
Is that roll?
Diesel, I hate to admit it, but he's not gonna last much longer.
What shall you do, Diesel Bond?
Oh, he's like, all hands, abandon ship. So all of a sudden got really quiet.
Ryan, you're not calling him a pedophile enough.
Indeed, I'm not.
Maybe he has a heart.
Him have a heart.
I'm waiting for the right time.
Is this the place where we can farm money very easily?
Yeah, pretty much. The Reaver bots drop shitloads of cash.
Shitloads. You would say shitloads, wouldn't you? And we all know what you want the money for.
Prostitute. Kitty prostitutes.
Yeah. He's gonna teach kids how to.
F.
And then he's gonna use them.
Oh my
Truly
god.
a pedophile. Of epic proportions. And that's kind of nasty what the robots are doing, you know.
They're pooping out their bombs.
Really? I thought they were shooting, you know.
Shits.
Yeah.
They remind me of monkeys. They throw their own shit.
Oh!
And you do love monkeys.
Nope.
Monkey, monkey. Do the monkey. Dun, 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 dun. Double kill. How much money do we have? 69, of course. Just had to be 69.
Yeah, it had to be 69. At least it wasn't 96.
Star 69.
I mainly pick up the big ones. Plus health.
You know, if anyone star 69's on Betsy, he's gonna be arrested.
What? What's that mean?
Oh, I think you have a pretty good idea of what it means.
No, I don't. I have no idea what it means.
He's playing coy.
Seriously, guys, what does it mean? I have no idea.
You don't
Do you
know
know
what
what
69 means.
Do you know what star 69 is?
Nope.
Tracing a call. Yeah, you're gonna be arrested.
Funny.
I've got a helmet.
But it's not my phone. So, if...
I must machine gun it.
Those give a lot of money, by the way. If you keep leaving this room and coming back, they'll respawn instantly. See? Look how much money they drop.
Plus health.
So, yeah. If you have...
Assassination.
Here. Let me show...
Here, you
let me show you a way to... wait. This increases your rapid if you keep tapping forward and shooting.
What do you know? It doesn't suck this time.
Yeah, because I've had practice. Wow. Isn't weird? Did his leg go like right
See,
through?
that's what I was trying to do. He doesn't suck this time, and he says, yeah, that's because I had practice.
Petty. Can someone give me a root word for petty and what Zangetsu is?
That's half of the word itself.
Still. Isn't he one though?
Indeed. Petty means foot.
But what happens when you include file in it?
Yep.
You get Zangetsu.
I'm
5,
pretty
6.
sure there's a picture of him in the dictionary, but I'm not sure. Have you been arrested yet?
Nope.
Then they don't have a picture of you yet.
Dang.
But when they start 69, you they will.
Wow, you almost got yourself killed.
At least he was smart enough to jump. He's had years of experience.
Okay, give it here.
Wait. I'm gonna just do the rest of this area because it gets a little difficult from here. At least I know where all the traps are.
I destroyed the trap box while I was off screening.
Yeah, I know. I know what trap packs you're talking about.
The one that spurts out bombs.
That's the only trap box. That's what trap boxes do and
Oh,
Legend.
thank you in the corner. That's what you say to kids.
He's the new Michael Jackson. Oh, predicted Michael Jackson when he does.
What did you
We
find?
found a starter key. And you know what that means.
Looks like a starter key. refractor in here somewhere.
Refractor. I found out the funny word.
Hole in the wall. Cartoon.
Gatling gun part. That makes Buster part.
Yay.
Buster part.
Buster Cannon.
Double Buster. Finish Buster.
Big tree cannon.
We got two donuts.
Big boo boo volleyball. That one gave you a ton of money.
The die missiles.
It's gonna be a ring.
Who you gonna give it to?
Actually,
Boy or cousin?
No, he's gonna give it to the first kid, first little girl he sees.
God,
I bet
you
it,
guys, enough with those
if
jokes.
they're lucky, it might actually be a boy. But I'm pretty
God,
sure
seriously,
gay
enough
marriages
with
aren't
those
allowed.
jokes.
You make it too easy.
Ugh.
I've had too many practice using it on my sisters.
Oh God.
You know what else is funny? This game sets you up for so many things
I
when,
know.
when you talk about it. So blame the game.
Now you expect me to call myself an expert about this game?
Megaman, what
Nope.
can you see up there?
I see a waterfall.
I'm not picking up anything
But
on
you
my
do
monitor.
know this game inside and out.
I don't know.
And he does mean
Inside
inside.
and out.
There's gonna be invisible robots. They
Wow.
tend to come from behind. I did that one on purpose.
Oh.
As a child, this place always used to scare me.
As a child.
That's because it always came to you from behind.
That would explain it.
Okay, no high five.
Yeah.
See, told you, invisible Reaverbot.
Invisibility.
It's still behind you. That doesn't give you any money.
Because it was up here. If you killed one down there, it gives you a ton of money.
This place reminds me of the water temple.
Technically, it is the water temple in Mega Man Legends.
And we all know how much we hate the water temple.
There's another one in Legends too. Joint plug. This will allow us to equip 3 Buster parts.
Joint plug.
That's the name of the item.
You know, maybe you should start writing your things down instead of speaking out loud. Or maybe just whisper.
Whisper, 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 whisper.
I am incapable of whispering.
Whisper,
Yeah,
whisper,
I can
whisper.
sort of tell that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know, I'm really good at it.
No dipshot.
Yeah, you are. Because half the time people can't even hear your pedophile jokes. But they hear sounds.
That's because I'm the one in front. Don't you dare.
No
No homo. At least I'm saying no homo first.
If I'm reading this right,
It's a
there's
giant
huge
refractor.
refractor there. We
Is
should
it?
be able to repair
I see
the
something.
flutter with one that big.
Don't know.
And that was funny.
You know, the
It's
way
a-
that setup looks kind of funny. In the middle of nothing.
It's invisible.
It's the spirit bomb that never ends. Or never starts.
When did you use this helmet?
Jerk! Da-da-da-da, you gain another invisible crystal. That's probably red.
That's what's gonna allow us to fly the gigantic ship called the Flutter.
Dude, I want to press the start button. I want to see what color the crystal is.
It's red. As everything is around it.
Yes!
Just look at the thing it stands on. Since it's red, that
That's
means...
why I guessed it's red.
Yeah. Congratulations. Want a cookie?
No.
Is that how you lure them in?
Oh my god. It's a gigantic cylinder in the middle of nowhere.
Yet again.
Give it.
Wait.
No.
I know this boss. Let me do
I
this
wanna-
one. Let me do
I'm
this.
sure you do know this boss.
He does the boss.
Exactly, that's it.
Welcome to Soviet Russia, where we don't do it. Welcome to Soviet Russia, where we don't do it, it do you.
Look at its head. This is why he likes doing the boss.
The only way you can kill it is by shooting it in the head. Ow.
See. He aims for the head.
That's the pointy part.
With a pea shooter.
Oh, God.
Now you're setting yourself up on purpose.
I know.
I stopped setting myself up.
Oh.
Why do you keep setting yourself up?
I think he's doing both of his I don't think that's changed.
It's not my fault everything I can say could be used against me.
This time it's not something you say.
Oh, Pez kick! It Pez kicked you.
I never knew it did Pez kick.
He's jumping.
Shit, we forgot to refill it.
He keeps jumping.
Oh,
over
this
the
is
boss.
gonna be good.
Right,
Like this. Look, he jumped on the boss.
Hey, before you die, let's see how much money we have.
At least this time he
19,000.
likes you back, because he's throwing himself at you.
Shit. Hey, at least I actually did good.
Wait, doesn't that mean we have to fight that huge water boss again?
You forgot to save outside.
I think maybe, I don't know. First, we'll check where we are.
Yep.
Boo.
Let's do a quick intermission and get back to that boss.
You know what, just go to your corner. Go.
Intermission.
Why
I
did
think
you
we
go back
should
to
we
your
should
turn?
just stop this thing anyway. Look how much time we got.
Nah.
Oh
Next
my
time
gosh.
we'll be back where we were before. Bye.